Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify domain name. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So what we can do is we can head over in here on the settings, and then on the settings right here, it will open our store settings. So what you can do in order to change it is we just need to head over it and then click on the actual domains right around here, which is this one. And then as you can see, the domain name that I have is actually quite the scribble of the Shopify. So if you want to change the domain, you can either buy a new domain, connect an existing domain, or you can also change a new myshopify.com domain. As you can see right now, myshopify.com is actually just before or just like this one, but they have a scribble of link right here. So I can actually change in here, or you can also buy a new domain and connect an existing domain. If you try to connect an existing domain, it will just put in here the domain that you have. So for example, let's put in here the domain that we want to add. And then once you have added that specific domain, you just need to head over and click on next. And then after that, this will load like this, wherein you can see an option wherein you can buy the domain, or you can also connect it however you want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.